Anyone? Can we ask guys to read one by one? Okay.
Your team is collecting requirements. You want to understand and adapt to the level of stakeholders. The stakeholder participation in requirements activities. You are looking for A. Stakeholder management plan, B. Stakeholder register, C. Risk management plan, D. Risk register.
Elimination technique, it's A and B.
It cannot be A and B. It can be either A or B. Tell me. How many of you think it is B? 1, 2, 3. Tell me why it is B.
Because the stakeholder register, we are defining the name of the stakeholder and his influence and his interest and how much he can influence on.
And how many of you think it is stakeholder management plan? Can you tell me why? Amirul.
Because stakeholder management plan, we are exactly trying to say how would you manage all the stakeholders, who has got what kind of influence. Is it you need to look after his, is he on top priority, or it is just inform him, do you want to keep him happy, or the four quadrants?
You are analyzing the stakeholder, and I don't know if you remember, I said you analyze a stakeholder as soon as you meet it, but your document, the analysis becomes a part of your stakeholder management plan. I said that. See, think of a situation when there was a project manager before you who initiated but had to leave, and you are joining now. So where will you get that document? You are not meeting the stakeholders now. You are not entering them into register now. You have done, somebody has done the analysis, maybe you, maybe the previous project manager, where he will document it. So yes, for this you need to understand the PMBOK, input, outputs and tools and techniques well. Sessions that focus on bringing business subject matter experts, plural, and the development team together. Okay, so two different sections, two different functions we are bringing together to improve function. What is the process called? Facilitated workshops?
Yes.
Focus groups? Why is it the focus groups?
In the case of facilitated workshop, you get the people from different skill set. And in the case of focus group, you all the subject matter experts. Right?
For facilitated workshop also you will need subject matter experts. People across different functions and subject matter experts for each separate function are required. Whereas for focus group, one subject matter expert, like one focus group, one department and one or more subject matter experts. So here we are talking about development team. So development team is yes, coming from different backgrounds and there are different subject matter experts. So we are talking about diverse groups and the requirements. That's why it is facilitated workshops. Yeah, I'm coming to it. That's why it is facilitated workshops and not focus groups.
No, where is this question bank? Means it is there.
It is not there.
It is not there.
It's a conflicted.
Conflict was one example I was trying to give. Conflict doesn't have to be there. It's a good idea. People usually use it for resolving cross-boundary conflicts. That's one use. Cross-functional conflicts. A method of obtaining early feedback requirements by providing working model. Okay, do one thing. First question, how many of you were right? Correct answer. Note it down. Note it down. Question 1, right or wrong, is the only thing you need to know. Question 2, how many got correct? Question 3 also, how many of you got correct? And question 4 also. 10 questions and I want to see your score. Early feedback and working model is what you need to focus on, and you get the answer. Prototyping. Requirements documentation will normally contain business requirements, stakeholder requirements, solution requirements, all of the above. Yes. So, how many of you are saying all of the above? So, what do you feel?
Stakeholder requirements.
Okay. When you are talking about requirements, when you are working in a project, you get most of your requirements from stakeholders. But if you feel that there is some business functionality which is missing, some people failed to address, will you add that or not? You will add. So business requirements also will be a part of it. And solution requirements is from where you start working on it. So what is the solution requirement? Can someone help me here?
The purpose.
Some technology that are required.
Yeah, I mean you want ERP, so solution requirement,
What is this expected?
The overall objective.
overall objective is yes, and what is expected, it's the same thing. So all of these form your requirements, and okay, it is not that whenever you see all of the above select that. Read